Hazel Serrano, the owner-operator of GreenCal Construction. We are on this project here with Purple Heart Home and Owens Corning, teaming up to donate a roof to a veteran, Miss Russell here in Long Beach. Owens Corning donates all the material, and then we donate all the labor. Today we are here at day one doing just the tear off. We go ahead and remove the old shingles, dump it over to our container. During our tear off here, we did find a bit of rotten wood. We will most likely have to sheet this just because we do have open slats on the lower half of the roof. We'll have to put brand new plywood on the whole thing just to keep it all level. And then once everything's off, then we start doing our carpentry. We're installing a full Owens Corning system. It does come with a 50-year warranty as long as it's installed by a platinum Owens Corning certified roofer, such as GreenCal Construction. The first step of installing the Owens Corning roofing system is the underlayments. They do have two different types of underlayments. The first one being the ice and water shield. That is going to be the weather flex. And then the other underlayment's going to be the deck defense. Super durable and very breathable. The next step for the roofing system is going to be the shingles. We are installing the Duration Shingle by Owens Corning. This shingle actually has a really nice feature, which is the Sure Nail Strip. The Sure Nail Strip is a Owens Corning patented technology, and it's to reinforce that nailing zone. The next item to install on our roofing system is going to be ridge vent. And then on top of the ridge vent, we do install the Owens Corning Deco Ridge. On the perimeter of the home, we also install the edge metal. This one's about a 2-inch edge metal with a little kicker at the end. That little kicker is gonna help kick the water out as the water comes onto the roof. Our next accessory piece when it comes to the ventilation is gonna be our O'Higgins. You put those shingles right around that vent and it looks nice and seamless.
I can't say enough. I didn't have any hiccups or any problems, and they answered all my questions. They were available anytime I needed them. I'm just really happy overall with the company and the whole process. It was great.
And this makes up our full Owens Corning system backed by Owens Corning with a 50-year warranty. Reach out to your rep if you have any questions.